DGS speech team is historically one of its most successful, and this year the team placed second at state. But beyond the competitive aspect, the team offers many new roles to foster a sense of community. Coaches like Sean Liston not only help and prepare competitors, but also assist in running the state tournament.
During the state series, I also help run the prep room for extemp at regional, sectionals, and state. To me, it's an honor to be able to help people out with it and make one thing run smoothly. And then also just kind of being there for everybody else on the team. I'll watch everything and anything if I have time to do so, and just try to be a supportive individual to help everybody out.
DGS students also play an essential role during the state series. Acting as timers and room chairs, students like Colleen Laverty get to assume a new role and experience state.
It's really important to go to state and to see excellence and to see like people who are really, really good at what they do, and because it prepares you for you being eventually going to state and your following years to come.
From coaches to room chairs, DGS especially works to support competitors like Nate Clinton.
You don't really get that feeling of like how much it means until you get to the Civic Center at Peoria. But being in those rounds and seeing the from formality with the room chairs and the ballots, and you're like, wow, this really matters. But again, with the team around you and the support from the coaches, it was nothing but just joy that I was there. Just zoning into your piece and kind of like dissolving into it and just doing the muscle memory and hearing the audience reaction. It was so much fun.
Being part of this program during the state series lets you see the best in the state, but also gives you a taste of hopefully something you want to be a part of as you grow older, and know that your work is appreciated.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Saara and Lydia.